Imagine you step outside tonight, look up at the sky, and the moon is gone. No glowing orb, no crescent, no full moon selfies, just darkness. Sounds spooky, right? But if the moon vanished tonight, life on Earth would change in ways you probably never thought about. So let's play with this wild idea. What if the moon suddenly disappeared from the sky tonight? No explosions, no warning, just poof, gone. At first, you might think, who cares? It's just a rock up there. But oh boy, the moon is like Earth's quiet roommate who actually keeps everything in order. Remove it and chaos slowly creeps in. First thing you notice? The night sky would be way darker. The moon reflects sunlight, and on a clear full moon night, it can be bright enough to read a book outside. Without it, nights become pitch black. Great news for stargazers, more stars. But terrible news for animals like owls, sea turtles, or even humans in ancient times. Many creatures rely on moonlight to hunt, navigate, or stay safe. Overnight, nature's entire night shift would be confused. Now here's where it gets messy. The tides. The moon's gravity pulls Earth's oceans, creating high tide and low tide. Without it, tides would shrink by about 2/3. At first that might sound cool, no more giant waves ruining beach parties, but think again. Tides are nature's water mixer. They circulate nutrients, oxygen, and food through the oceans. Without strong tides, coastal ecosystems like coral reefs, mangroves, and tidal pools would collapse. And when they collapse, a lot of marine life starves. Humans who depend on fishing, also in trouble. But wait, it gets even crazier. The moon is like Earth's stabilizer. It keeps our planet tilted at about 23.5 degrees. That tilt is what gives us seasons. Without the moon, Earth's axis would wobble like a broken top. Sometimes the tilt might shrink to zero, meaning no seasons at all. Imagine living in eternal summer or eternal winter, depending on where you are. Then, thousands of years later, the tilt might swing wildly to 60 degrees. That would mean insane seasons, scorching summers, brutal winters, massive climate chaos. Good luck planning your vacations in that mess. Okay, but what about us humans? Well, for starters, calendars would be weird. Most of human history used lunar cycles to track time. Without the moon, early civilizations might never have developed the same way. Festivals, religions, harvests, many are tied to the moon. Even now, we'd feel it. Nights would be darker, ecosystems would collapse, and climate would eventually spiral into chaos. Agriculture, unstable. Cities on the coast, facing massive changes. And the rise of humanity as we know it, it might never have happened. But here's the wildest twist. Life itself might not exist at all. Some scientists believe the moon's gravitational influence stabilized Earth just enough for complex life to evolve. Without it, Earth might have been a chaotic, unstable planet where evolution never had a fair shot. So if the moon disappeared tonight, not only would our future collapse, our entire past might never have happened. The moon may look like a simple glowing ball in the sky, but it's secretly Earth's bodyguard, timekeeper, and climate regulator all at once. Without it, we'd be stumbling in the dark, literally and figuratively. So next time you see the moon, give it a little nod of thanks. And hey, if you enjoyed this what if brain adventure, hit that like button, drop a comment on what scenario you want next. And don't forget to subscribe for more science made fun, because who knows what wild idea we'll explore next.